Okay, we are sailing around the south tip of Cortes Island, and in the background you can hear that red bell buoy over there because the wind is coming from there. And that is one of my favorite views anywhere around here. Here's Jack, the skipper, trying to keep track of the helm. And they are taking the waves sort of on our quarter, the big ones. Very beautiful morning. Usually we leave earlier and this is all sparkling, but it's also pretty right now. You can see. Vancouver Island with the Comox Glacier and a couple of other glaciers soon to be disappeared. So we're enjoying them now while we can. There goes a cormorant. Okay, bye-bye.